Hi guys, you're watching Dainik Savera Presents Fit with Jen. I'm your host and trainer Jennifer and welcome to our brand new 3-month COVID recovery program. Corona has taken its toll. With millions falling sick every day, nobody knows when this pandemic will end. अगर आपने भी मेरी तरह कोरोना को फर्स्ट हैंड एक्सपीरियंस किया है तो आप जानते हैं कि ये बैटल आसान नहीं है। ठीक होने के बाद भी ब्रेथलेसनेस एंड फैटिग जैसी कई प्रॉब्लम्स हमारा साथ नहीं छोड़ती। After all, your body does go through a lot trying to survive. Corona Recovery Program है आपका one-stop solution to fix all these problems. ये simple to follow regimen specifically डिज़ाइन किया गया है उन लोगों के लिए जो कोरोना से ठीक होने के बाद भी ठीक नहीं है। Easy to follow, slow and control body movement से ये प्रोग्राम आपके स्टैमिना को वापस लाने में मदद करेगा। Breathing exercises will improve lung capacity, leaving you feeling stronger and better. Let's get started. सो गाइज रोज की तरह आज का वर्कआउट भी हम शुरू करेंगे कुछ इजी बॉडी वेट मूवमेंट्स के साथ ताकि आपकी बॉडी प्रॉपर्ली वार्म अप हो सके। आज की हमारी फर्स्ट मूवमेंट है एल्बो ओपनर्स टू एल्बो फ्लटर्स। गो अहेड एंड कीप योर फिंगर टिप्स ऑन योर एल्बोज। मेक श्योर दैट योर एल्बोज स्टे पैरेलल टू द ग्राउंड। ब्रिंग देम टुगेदर एंड ओपन, ब्रिंग देम टुगेदर एंड ड्रॉप। And relax. Up next, guys, is seated bicep curls. Palms facing out, up and drop. Coming up next, guys, is seated jumping jacks. 8 repetitions. And relax. Up next, guys, is tricep taps. Lift your arms straight overhead, bend at the elbows, tap your back, and retrace your movement. 8 repetitions again. And relax. Up next, guys, is wrist circles. Extend your arms in the front and make 8 circles in one direction. Eight in the opposite. And relax. Up next, guys, is a few head movements, starting with head left to right. And relax. Coming up next, guys, is head tilts. So keeping your shoulder blades relaxed, tilt to the right and tilt to the left. And relax. Up next, guys, head nods, up and down. Next up, guys, is sitting jogs. And relax. Up next, guys, is knee tucks to claps. So lift both your knees up and reach down and clap. And relax. Up next, guys, is single leg cycling. Let's sit on the edge of your bench or the chair. Balance with your hands in the back and make cycling movements with your left leg. 4 in one direction and 4 in the opposite direction. Let's repeat with the other leg. And relax. Up next, guys, is calf lifts. Go ahead, lean forward, put your hands on your knees, pushing your knees down, lift your heels up and down. And relax. Finally, guys, ankle rotations. Hold your left leg up and make circles with your ankle, 4 in one direction and 4 in the opposite direction. Let's repeat on the other side. And relax. So guys, ये थी हमारी आज की warm up movements and I hope that you are sufficiently warmed up. If not, you can always go ahead and repeat the circuit one more time. अब हम करेंगे आज के कुछ आसन. So आज के आसन हम शुरू करेंगे with a standing position known as the tree pose, also known as the Vriksha Asan. Go ahead, stand comfortably, lifting your right foot up, wedge it in between on your thigh. Lift up your hands while you breathe in and hold. And relax. Repeating it on the other side, lifting your left foot up, wedging the heel in your thigh, maintaining the balance. Breathe in as you lift your arms up and hold. If balance is an issue, you can also do it against a wall or use a chair for support. And relax. आज का हमारा अगला आसन है अर्ध पद्मासन, also known as the half lotus pose. Lift your left foot up, balance it on your right thigh, pushing your knees down and hold. Relax. Repeating it with the other leg. Lifting your right foot up, balancing it on your left thigh and hold. and relax. गाइस, आज का हमारा अगला आसन है जठारा परिवर्तन आसन, also known as the belly twist pose. इसे हम करेंगे in supine position. So lay down on your back. Legs folded. Lift your feet up in tabletop position. Hands on the side, palms facing up. Drop your knees all the way down to one side, looking over the opposite shoulder. Coming back, repeating on the other side. Coming back and relax. So guys, आज का हमारा अगला आसन है जस्तिका आसन, also known as the superior pose. इसे हम करेंगे prone position में. So go ahead and lie down on your belly. Make sure that your feet are relaxed, forehead touching the ground. Interlock your fingers and place them on the lower part of your head, relaxing your elbows to gently touch the ground, and hold the position for 15 to 30 seconds. Relax. So guys, ये थे हमारे आज के एक्सरसाइजेस. अब हम करेंगे कुछ प्राणायाम. आज की हमारी फर्स्ट ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइज है 4-7-8 ब्रीदिंग. As the name suggests, you will inhale to the count of 4, hold to the count of 7, exhale to the count of 8, all through the nose. 4-7-8. इसे आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं 2 to 4 minutes तक. Relax. आज की हमारी अगली एक्सरसाइज है belly breathing, also known as diaphragmatic breathing. इसके लिए put your left hand right underneath your rib cage and your right hand on your belly. When you inhale in through the nose, you will feel your stomach expanding and pushing out into your hands. When you breathe out, you will feel your stomach contracting towards the spine, getting away from your hands. Bring your total awareness to the expansion and the fall of your stomach. guys, ये थी हमारी आज की exercises. I hope that you enjoyed them and are not too tired. Remember, consistency is the name of the game here. It's a marathon, not a sprint. So please take it easy and give your body a chance to heal. Do subscribe to the Dainik Savera channel for cutting-edge fitness challenges. Happy healing.